What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on this beautiful Scout 277 LXF. Come meet me on board. Now that we're on the boat, we're going to start from the transom and work our way forward. This 277 Scout, it is a great fishing boat, but it's also a boat where you can have some creature comforts on it as well. Plenty of seating throughout the boat. So whether you're a hardcore fisherman or someone who wants to have a little bit of fishing and still have those creature comforts for the family, this is a great boat for you. Starting off, this boat's equipped with twin 225 Mercurys. The Scout line, you can equip them with either Mercury or Yamaha. You have some sea decking across the transom here that's great underneath your feet. It's very soft and cushiony. Now, working our way forward, you have your access right here with the door on the starboard side. Now looking at the bench seat, out. I can fit about 2 people. You have cup holders on both sides. Also on the port side, you have your bait well. And if you aren't going to be fishing with this, you always put ice in there too and put drinks in there. Nice, easy access port. And then if you want more room for fishing back here, simply tuck that away. Moving forward, you have your sink, really nice countertop, and a station here. This is like a cutting board material, so either you can make sandwiches here, maybe rig up some fishing stuff underneath it. You have a storage compartment that has a gasket on it, so that'll help keep this dry. You have 4 rod holders off the back, as well as 2 more cup holders. Underneath, you have a Yeti cooler. Simply pull this pin up, grab this, and it'll just slide right out. That will give you another seat, or you can use the Yeti cooler for drinks, food, whatever you'd like. On the port side, you have your dive door, or if you'd rather access the boat this way, maybe you're pulling up to the dock on the port side, you can step on the boat this way, or if you're on the starboard, the other door I pointed out. That'd be nice going to the sandbar, maybe for the fishermen, you can use that to pull in a bigger fish. Off the top of the hard top, you have another 5 rod holders up here, so you can have 9 fishing poles out of the way. These ones are angled, so they'll miss the hard tops. You can have some longer rods here still. These 2 seats are bolstered. It's great, you have plenty of space when the bolster's up, or if you want more leg space, you want to sit down, you simply drop the bolster. Armrest can go up and down as well. Really nice stitching pattern here. Scout is all about their finishes. Very high quality boat. You have some more sea decking material here, which I love. When I used to be a charter fishing captain, I actually put sea decking by the Helm as well for the rougher days. That'll help cushion any impact you may have underneath your feet, or really help save your back. At the Helm here, twin Garmin displays. They're flush mounted, has a really clean look. You have a smaller compartment here where you can charge phones. You have a few charging ports. You just have the keys in there. All your switches, a couple cup holders. This glass actually doesn't go all the way up. You'll be fully protected in here, but this has little vents, so you can still get a little bit of airflow through here. I actually prefer that. More switches up here. Your radio's tucked out of the way. It's not in your field of view. Easily accessible. That's great. There's also some handles up here. Maybe you're driving faster, or it's rough route. Something to hold on to. I personally like to be holding on to something when I'm up on plane driving the boat. So whether you want to hold on here, up higher, there's handles throughout the boat. Working our way forward. Up on the front, this would be a great spot for the family to hang out. You have a seat off the front of the console, as well as this wraparound seating here. There's a bow table, that's the mount in the center. And these are removable, whether you want these out or tucked away. You can put these down on the console if you don't want them out. But when they're out, it makes for a nice backrest. You know, you can have your table out. You can be doing a sunset cruise. I'd have the table out here. You could have people on either side of this. Put the table out. Have a nice cheese board out for your sunset cruise. Be enjoying some wine. Or if you're at the sandbar, this would be a fun spot to hang out. Your windlass is up in the front hatch. And you have your windlass in and out. Two completely separate buttons, as well as cup holder rod holders. I like how they did that up here, having cup holder rod holders. That will give you both options. In the bottom of the cup holder, you could actually put a fishing pole in here and it'll hold it in place. Or if you just want to put your drink there, it's a great thing to have. Really shows you that this boat is designed for fishing or pleasure. Now, one last thing I want to show you is inside the console. You're going to open this up. Full-size head. Your ladder storage is in there. So great for the family. If you'd like to see this boat, you can come by MarineMax Jupiter or call us today and ask for Chad.